Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this one I'll show you how to use Instagram collaborative collections with friends. Just find a post or reel you want to save and tap or long press the bookmark icon at the bottom right. So say I will just take my post and long press it. Okay, there you go. So in here you have your ability to create a collection. As you can see, I've created 3. So now I'll create another one. So press new collection. Now you just proceed with specifying the name for your collection, for example, uh, friends, hangouts, or videos, or something, right? And then, of course, don't forget after the name, click on this tab in the bottom, add people to this collection. Okay, and from the list, just pick someone, add them, and then you will be able to curate that collection together with this person that you've chosen. So don't need to do anything else, just press save, finished, and you're good to go. Enjoy.